discussion is on an Indian American women in space. Summary: Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana, but became a US citizen after her marriage to an American flight instructor, Jane Perry Harrison. So she is called an Indian American. She graduated from Tagore School, Karnal. After this, she joined an engineering college. Then she went for a master's degree to the US. After getting that degree, she earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. After qualifying as a pilot, she applied to NASA for a space shuttle program. It was her success as a pilot that gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut. She was first hired as a research scientist. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut, among others. Thus, she became the first Indian American woman astronaut. Kalpana Chawla's first space mission in the space was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long. The crew included a Japanese and an Ukrainian astronaut. They performed different experiments for a price tag of about $56 million. When the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was a shock and disbelief, but it became clear that Kalpana Chawla had died. All other crew members on the space shuttle had also died. A journalist wrote that Kalpana Chawla was a heroine. According to him, astronaut is a very able person. He has to know everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautic engineering. An astronaut has encyclopedic knowledge. Kalpana Chawla said that a dream can be made a reality. For this, one must have the courage and work for it. Important questions. Question 1. Where was Kalpana Chawla born? Why is she called an Indian American? Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana. She was called an Indian American because she was a naturalized US citizen married to flight instructor Jane Perry Harrison. Question 2. When and why did she go to the US? Who did she marry? She went to USA for a master's degree. She was married to a flight instructor, Jane Perry Harrison. Question 3. How did she become an astronaut? What gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. The idea that she could be an astronaut came from her desire to follow her dreams. Question 4. What abilities must an astronaut have, according to the journalist? According to the journalist, to be an astronaut, one should have enormous ability. An astronaut must know a lot about everything, from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Thank you.